Jammers, Happy Jumper 101 here. Sorry, I'm really perky. And I'm here with the birthday special, the birthday Animal Jam special. Because it's obviously their third birthday. Whoa! Oh wow, I'm like trapped in a cake. Man, I don't blow the candles. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You smell like a poo. Just kidding. That was kind of gross. Just whatever. I have enough for like all of these. No, I don't. Just kidding. Okay. Whoa. What's this? Oh my gosh, I'm in like a Candyland. I'm like so buried. Well, thanks for watching and happy birthday, Animal Jam. It's been 3 great years with tons of jammers playing.